G, 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 G. Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Cuddly Bear Tales. Let's learn the alphabet together. Our letter for today is G. This is the big letter G. This is the small letter G. The sound of letter G says G, G, G. G, G, girl. Girl. G, G, guitar. Guitar. G, G, gift. Gift. G, G, glue. Glue. G, G, grass. Grass. G, G, grasshopper. Grasshopper. G, G, goat. Goat. G, G, goose. Goose. G, G, gorilla. Gorilla. G, G, grapes. Grapes. Let's see if you can remember some things that begin with the letter G. Can you guess the picture? That's correct. Girl. Can you guess the picture? That's correct. Guitar. Can you guess the picture? That's correct. Gift. Can you guess the picture? That's correct. Glue. Can you guess the picture? That's correct. Grass. Can you guess the picture? That's correct. Grasshopper. Can you guess the picture? That's correct. Goat. Can you guess the picture? That's correct. Goose. Can you guess the picture? That's correct. Gorilla. Can you guess the picture? That's correct. Grapes. Well done! Those are the things that begin with the letter G. Can you find some things around you that begin with the letter G? Have fun in finding them. Thank you for watching our letter for today. See you again in our next alphabet lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.